Today's video, we got the X5M on the lift. Unfortunately, she needs a little axle. But along with an axle, we're gonna be painting the calipers gold. We got the VHT gold. About to take out this calipers. This axle, unfortunately, she's making noise. So yeah, we're gonna take the brakes apart right now. Compressors compressing. So let's get them off. VHT gold, put some clear, got the black M stickers. Certified. So we just wrapped her up. Sabri wants to start the vehicle, see if the differential is gonna leak because he filled it, but I think we overfilled it. So he wants to run it, check out the situation, and then we'll probably put those plastics back. Take it for a little test drive and see if it's gonna still make a clicking noise. Hopefully not. Fingers are crossed. But what do you guys think? Pretty sick. World's first X5M with CCBs. He loved it so much that he wants it on his own car now.
I just couldn't deal with blue. Couldn't deal with it. Couldn't deal with blue.
All looks well. He's asking for a crowbar, bro. Crowbar is always saving days, bro.
What?
Crowbar. Rev it up, bro. Good in the hood, bro. I think it was just overfilled. But yeah, I think we're gonna put back these shits right now. After that, the final test is to see if it's gonna click. I hope not, because then that just opens a whole new headache. No leaks. Would you be fucking amazed? Alright guys, she's on the floor. Let's see if this noise goes away. Ready? It's only when you turn and the car has to be moving. No? Nothing so far. So it must have been the axle, because I would have done it right. I would have done it by now. A little dark out here. We had finished work, then we came back to finish this. It's not doing it. I would say it's fixed. So I'd call this pretty successful day. Okay guys, well that's gonna conclude this video. Got the M5 sitting here. If you guys enjoyed the video, little thing on the X5M. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. And we're